Firstly, check the circuit breaker. Ensure the circuit breaker for the outlet is not tripped. Secondly, inspect the junction box. Open the junction box outside and verify that all connections are tight and secure. Check for any loose or damaged wires. Thirdly, test the wires. Use a multimeter to test the wires at both ends of the conduit. Ensure that the black wire is hot, registering approximately 120 volts at both ends. Verify that the white wire is neutral, registering approximately 0 volts. If the black wire is not hot at the junction box, there may be an issue with the conduit or wire connection. Fourthly, test the GFCI. Press the test button on the GFCI receptacle. If it trips immediately, it may be faulty. Try replacing it with a new one. Fifthly, inspect the outlet. Check the wires at the receptacle inside the house. Ensure they are connected correctly and tightly to the terminals. Sixthly, check for a ground fault. Use a ground fault tester to check for a ground fault in the circuit. Plug the ground fault tester into the receptacle and follow its instructions. If the ground fault tester indicates a ground fault, there may be an issue with the circuit's grounding system. Seventhly, check for an open circuit. Use a multimeter to check for an open circuit in the wire. Set the multimeter to the continuity setting and touch the probes to the black and white wires at both ends of the conduit. If the multimeter does not indicate continuity, there is an open circuit in the wire. Eighthly, inspect the conduit. If the wire tests fine, inspect the conduit for any damage or obstructions that may be preventing the signal from passing through. Consider possible causes and solutions. A loose or disconnected wire may be the issue. In this case, tighten or reconnect loose wires. A faulty wire may be the issue. In this case, replace any damaged or broken wires. A faulty GFCI may be the issue. In this case, replace the GFCI receptacle. A ground fault may be the issue. In this case, find and repair the source of the ground fault. An open circuit may be the issue. In this case, replace or repair the damaged wire causing the open circuit. Conduit damage may be the issue. In this case, repair or replace any damaged conduit sections. It is recommended to contact a qualified electrician for further assistance if you continue to experience issues after following these steps.